Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing luxury choices for you. Would you rather create your luxury fantasy mansion with epic fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. First big question. What kind of house do you want? Option 1, Option 2, or the Option 3? Now, which bunk bed looks the most inviting for the best nap ever? Next up, time to pick a toilet. Which one would you go with? Let's move to the chandelier. Which one shines brightest in your dream home? How about the jacuzzi? Do you choose 1, 2, or 3? Now for the fun part. Which swing chair goes in your garden? Make your choice. Moving on. Which living room feels the most like you? What about the game room? Which one would you and your best friend dive into first? And speaking of games, which console gets your vote? Now let's design the bathroom. Which one of these wild ideas would you turn into reality? Here's a tricky one. Which of these cute pets wins your heart? Now let's make waves. What does your dream water park look like? Quick challenge. Can you spot different Hello Kitty before the time runs out? Did you find it? It's hiding right here. Next question. Which chair is the ultimate massage chair? Pick one. Now choose your inflatable pool. Which one you want to dive in? Let's go to the front yard. Which design would you pick? Back to choices. Which swimming pool stands out to you the most? Feeling hungry? Let's cook something. Pick your kitchen where you cook your favorite meals. How about your dining table? Which one would fit your home best? And don't forget the sink. Which one gets your vote? Challenge time. Comment your favorite movie, your favorite animal, or your favorite food. Now for the fireplace. Do you choose 1, 2, or go with the third one? Next up, pick your TV, where you enjoy jumbo quiz videos every day. Let's pick your night lamp. Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3. For pet lovers, here's one for you. Would you add a cat bed to your dream house? Time to relax. Which recliner would you sit on? Sonic, Minnie Mouse, or SpongeBob? And which garden would you hang out in? Now, time to pick your balcony. Which one gives you most beautiful view? Next, it's movie night. Which theater setup is your favorite? Make your choice. And don't stop now. The gazebo is waiting. Which one do you pick? Travel time. Egypt, London, or Paris? Which one is your dream destination? Now, which retreat house feels right for you? Pick one. Book lovers, here's your turn. Which library would be your happy place? Challenge. Can you place burger in a right place so Pikachu enjoy his burger? How many clicks did it take? Share in the comments. Let's pick your beautiful window view. Which one gives you relaxing vibes? It's time to pick your staircase. Which style staircase you want in your dream home? Which billiard table would you choose for your game room? And which glass animal would you keep in your house? Only one choice fits in your imagination. Which playground you pick? Quick challenge. If you enjoy, then hit the like button, comment your birthday, and subscribe the channel. Let's pick your comfy fruit sofa, where you want to sit and relax. Now pick your telephone, which one you want in your home. You need a slippers to walk in your dream home. And your coffee table. Which one feels like you? Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3? Pick your outdoor sitting area. Choose your side. Left, middle, or right. Now let's pick your unique shape house. First, second, or third. Let's go on a long drive, but first pick your car, which one you take. Now let's pick your perfume. Which fragrance suits your style best? And what about your coffee mug? Which one is your morning coffee cup? It's time to choose your floor design. First, second, or third. Make your choice. Next, headphones. Which design do you choose? Time to pick your mailbox, where you get letters from your loved ones. Now, which fridge matches your style? Make your choice. And which creative bed do you want in your room? Now the final choice. Which rug gives your feet a cozy vibes? Pick one. That was amazing luxury fantasy mansion adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.